Good day everyone. We are presenting our final project entitled Telecom Customer Churn Predictive Modeling Application. So our project aims to help telecommunication companies predict whether customers are likely to leave or discontinue their services. Customer retention is one of the biggest challenges in the telecom industry because acquiring new customers is significantly more expensive than retaining existing customers. Many companies only identify customer churn after customers have already canceled their subscriptions. Without predictive insights, businesses lose opportunities to take preventive actions such as providing promotions, discounts, or customer interventions. To address this challenge, our application analyzes historical and customer behavior and predicts future customer churn so businesses can take action before losing customers. For our dataset, we use the telco customer churn dataset from Kaggle, and the dataset contains customer-related information and service attributes that help identify behavioral patterns among customers. Before implementing our models, we perform several pre-processing steps to prepare the data. First is handling hidden missing values, then removing non-predictive data such as customer ID, encoding categorical variables, applying feature scaling, splitting the dataset into 80% training data and 20% testing data. These pre-processing steps help improve data quality and increase the effectiveness of the machine learning models. I will now hand over the presentation to Jisin for the discussion of our machine learning models and results.
You, Francine. So, for our predictive modeling process, we implemented three machine learning algorithms: KNN or K nearest neighbor or KNN, support vector machine or SVM, and artificial neural network or ANN. Our application followed a complete predictive modeling process, and then first, we identified the problem, which is the customer churn prediction. Second, we collected customer data using the telco customer churn dataset. Next, we performed data processing to clean and prepare the dataset. After pre-processing, we selected the important features needed by the machine learning models. The next step was model training, where we trained KNN, SVM, and ANN algorithms using the training dataset. After training, we proceeded to model testing using the dataset to evaluate how well each model performed. Finally, we generated prediction outputs and compared the results of all three models to determine which algorithm performed the best. KNN predicts outcomes by identifying similar customer patterns based on nearby data points, while SVM creates a decision boundary to classify customers and determine whether they are likely to stay or churn. And lastly, the ANN simulates how the human brain learns using connected layers of neurons that identify patterns in dataset. To evaluate our models, we use accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix. So these metrics help us compare the effectiveness of each algorithm. Based on our results, SVM achieved the highest accuracy with approximately 79.4, followed by NN with 76.5 and KNN with 76.3. Therefore, SVM showed the best overall performance. Unfortunately, during testing and development, we encountered a technical issue where our Visual Studio Code environment produced an error during the second execution of the source code. Despite the issue, the application was successfully developed and the one implementation of the results were completed and validated. In conclusion, our project demonstrates how machine learning can support businesses in predicting customer churn and improve business decision making for customer retention and long-term profitability. So, overall, sir, thank you, and that concludes our presentation. So, to add, sir, naghimo mo trog pero dili na siya pareha og kaya na sir, kaya na pag-run. Unfortunately, lain na siya ang nagawas. Di na siya kuan naguba kasi siya. So that's why in the video ano na may pakita because we wanted to show you how it runs and then how the predictive modeling or the prediction is comparing the three machine learning algorithms. That's it. Thank you.